Welcome to an in-depth walkthrough of DAOstack, a cutting-edge platform revolutionizing decentralized governance. This platform empowers users to create, manage, and participate in decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, with ease. DAOstack's interface is intuitive and packed with features designed to make decentralized decision-making seamless and transparent. The platform revolves around its unique governance framework, allowing participants to propose, discuss, and vote on initiatives using blockchain technology. When you log in, you're greeted with a dashboard that highlights active proposals and key statistics. Here, you can track voting outcomes, governance activity, and community engagement metrics. Navigating through DAOstack's tools, you'll find the Genesis protocol, a robust engine for scalable decision-making. This protocol employs holographic consensus, enabling large communities to function efficiently while maintaining decentralized integrity. The staking system ensures that only the most impactful proposals are surfaced for discussion, minimizing noise and enhancing productivity. For creators, the platform offers tools to launch your own DAO with customizable governance structures tailored to your project's needs. This flexibility allows you to design voting mechanisms, participation incentives, and more, ensuring alignment with your community's goals. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the standout features of DAOstack is its support for integration with smart contracts, allowing seamless interaction with blockchain ecosystems. Developers can leverage Alchemy, the platform's intuitive interface, to build decentralized apps, dApps, that plug directly into DAOstack's governance layers. The DAOstack ecosystem has seen widespread adoption by a range of industries, from tech startups to social impact initiatives. It's a proven solution for collaborative governance at scale. Explore the potential of blockchain-powered decision-making and make your voice heard within your community. Dive into DAOstack today, and don't miss the opportunity to take control of decentralized governance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into blockchain platforms and tools.